You really want to be focusing on what's next. What skills do you need to take you to that next level? AI can help highlight which skills you need. It can help drive insights about how the world is changing. And it can actually also help give you learning opportunities in real time. And this creates confidence to adopt and grow as roles are going to evolve. So resilience in 2026 will come from continuous learning and agility. The most valuable skill won't be coding, it's actually AI fluency. Learn how to collaborate with AI, not just use it, because it's going to build strength in your data literacy, your critical thinking, and communication. And the most important thing about working with AI and building your AI fluency is to develop curiosity and adaptability, because that's what's going to define career success.